what's up guys? Hope you guys are doing well. Obviously the RCF is out, and today we are actually going to be restoring the RCF, and specifically we are going to be trying, keyword is trying, to restore these carbon fiber Fender, I don't even know what it's called. So guys, I got these like probably a year or two ago, and I got them used, and when I got them they clearly needed a bit of work. And if you actually look closer, let's just zoom in, they got some cracks all around the corner. And I'm gonna show you guys a little secret of mine, and the fitment on it is pretty bad, right? And so the first thing on my mind to do was I was actually going to go on eBay and purchase a brand new one. I think it was like $170, and like I was like, hold up, why in the world would I purchase brand new ones if I could probably restore these for like $40? So we are going to head over to Harbor Freight as of now, and we are going to grab some sanding materials, some two-sided tape, and maybe some adhesive strengthener in order to first restore this shit, sand the hell out of it, make sure it's shiny, and apply a new layer of clear coat to it so that hopefully it looks a bit newer or better than it does right now. Because this, yeah, every time I look at it, especially every time the sun hits it, it's like, come on. But yeah guys, that's the go. That's basically what we are going to be doing right now. Anyways guys, enough of me talking. We are going to try, the keyword is try, to restore my carbon fiber Fender ducts. And guys, one more thing, I am thinking about maybe de-badging the RCF, only because one, I think it's gonna look cleaner, and two, right, I need a new F badge on the right side. And I just thought about something. I was like, hold on, why buy a whole new F badge? One thing about me is I like to save money, so why buy a whole new F badge if I could just walk over to the back of the car, right, take that F badge, it's fresh, it's the same exact size, same everything, and maybe take off the RCF on the back for a cleaner look, and transfer the F badge all the way to the right side of the Fender, and just save myself some cash and money, because I think each of these are like $40. So like I was like, whoa. So yeah, what do you guys think? Should I just do that, or should I just buy a whole new one? I don't know, you guys tell me. But anyways guys, we are going to be driving over to Harbor Freight to grab the material to restore the RCF. Oh. You guys already know we gotta obviously add gas before we go anywhere, because like we are driving a V8. Damn. Hey, as easy as that. Hey, can't forget the hand sanitizer, feel me, because we ain't have gloves. Okay, I'm gonna have to apply this with two hands. All right, this is actually bad. I need this to dry real quick. RCF's parked. All right guys, we just got here. Harbor Freight, quality tools and lowest prices. We'll see about that. But anyways guys, we are here. We are grabbing some sandpaper, probably some adhesive, and clear coat. Yep, all those three things. Damn guys, I've been in here for like maybe 5 minutes and I still can't find the sandpaper, but I should probably go ask someone, because yeah, I know it's here somewhere. Alright guys, and this is exactly why Amazon is a thing. They don't have the sandpaper that I'm looking for. I doubt they have the clear coat. They might have the clear coat, but I'm gonna just order everything off of Amazon, make my life easier. Someone pointed out that my steering wheel isn't straight, and they are 1000% correct. So the last time I got this car aligned, the person aligned the car, but after they aligned it, the steering wheel was like kind of tilted towards the left, which was kind of weird. So like I do have to fix it by getting another alignment. But before I get another alignment, I want to get new tires and do some other things to the suspension. Then I'm gonna get the alignment, because it makes more sense. But in the meantime, we are rocking a steering wheel at an angle, because right now guys, this is straight, and that's insane. And yeah man, this thing irks the shit out of me, like man. But I'm gonna fix it. If it looks like I'm adjusting the steering wheel a lot, it's because of the New York City roads. I'm not even lying. I got no hands. It's not moving anywhere. It's going straight. But as soon as I hit uneven like spaces and roads, in which New York City is known for having the worst roads and even highways, then I have to continuously adjust the steering wheel, because the car is going all over the place because of the roads. But as long as I'm on like a smooth road, the wheel is pretty straight, and I don't have to do a lot of adjusting also. missed that. I'm so confused. I had the GPS for home, but somehow it led me to a fast food restaurant. I mean, since I'm here, I might as well just get something. You feel me? I am kind of thirsty. I'm copping myself a Diet Coke. Yo, it's so hot. I know for a fact I'm sweating, but at least we got ourselves a Diet Coke. Man, I could shower in this. Damn. I'm not even joking. But anyways, guys, seriously, this time we are heading back home, and I'm gonna just order everything on Amazon. So this is gonna be a part 2 to this video where I'm sanding the crap out of my carbon fiber Fender. Yo, why can't I ever remember what it's called? Man, that thing always sounds great. Sheesh. All right, guys, we are back home. The RCF has actually been sitting in the sun for a long time, so hopefully it's a bit easier to take these off because of the heat soak. Fingers crossed. If not, we do have a good line of fishing line to help us take that off. So I got to take off that part and the other side as well. Once these things are off, we can start to sand. Here comes the moment of truth. Can I just peel this off? All right, I'm gonna stop being an idiot. I'm gonna grab some fish line and we are going to just fish it out that way. All right, guys, so I was able to actually take these off, and yo, it took man long, at least 30 minutes. Before anyone says anything, I did apply some glue gun to make my job just a tad bit easier. So we are actually going to start at 800 grit sandpaper. Then if I feel like it's not doing too much, then I'll change it over to 600 grit. So hopefully the 800 grit is just enough to fix the scratches and also fix the coloring on these fenders. Yep, fingers crossed. Also, guys, this is my first time, so if it turns out terrible, yeah, that means I had no idea what on earth I was doing. Well, the 800 grit sandpaper really isn't doing much, so I'm actually going to go down to 600 grit. Hopefully that allows me to get a little bit more further in. All right, guys, so sanded, unsanded. All right, guys, so I was about to go ham on this and spray this shit with some clear coat until I realized I bought the wrong thing. This is primer, and obviously primer isn't what I need. I need clear coat. So yeah, we got to run to the store again. I'll probably do that tomorrow because it is getting kind of dark, and yeah, and it's been raining on and off. But yeah, but overall, this is the look currently, and as you guys can see, it needs some clear. And it's pretty interesting because this is my first time actually buying clear coat from the store, and I needed an ID in order to buy this. What? Yo, what? And she asked me if I'm gonna inhale it. No, fuck. I mean, I'm trying not to curse, but no. The RCF is kind of incomplete right now. Man, that is so ugly to me. And yeah, guys, I purposely decided to keep that because it was like, I mean, I could have taken it off, but it was such a headache and it was mad hot. But yeah, this is how it's looking right now. Mad stock. And all right, guys, fast forward 24 hours and these carbon fender sides are looking okay, but I'm not satisfied with it. So I'm actually going to do everything all over again. And I think the reason why I'm not satisfied with it is actually because of the clear coat. So I did some research and it turns out that this clear coat is actually ass. This time we do have some new clear coat. I heard this one is pretty good, along with some upgraded sanding material to get even a bit more. I think I'm gonna start off with 220. Last time I started off with 320 and it did work, but I feel like I could go a bit deeper. I do have to make sure to not actually sand off the carbon fiber. I'm gonna do this off camera and really quick. And finally, guys, the carbon fiber fender covers are finally restored. They have been sprayed with clear, they have been polished, and they are back on the car. If you guys had to ask me, right, from a scale of 1 to 10, how fun was this process? I would say 3. I probably wouldn't restore carbon on my own again. I'll probably take it to a paint shop. But if you are a painter, yo guys, I give you guys all the credit. Well, not all the credit, but I give you guys a lot of props. It took mad work. Like, it took so much work to restore these fenders. And I am going to say that from the looks of it, it looks pretty good, especially the passenger side. I think my favorite side is actually the passenger side because I was able to install it perfectly. And let's actually just get a close-up. Wow, yeah, that looks really freaking clean. I mean, except the F badge. I was able to get this lined up pretty even. On the other side is not my favorite. The other side, I wasn't really able to line it up perfectly. As you guys can see, I don't know if I'm going crazy, but yeah, it's not perfect. So that leaves like a little gap, a small gap on the bottom. As you guys can see, I wasn't able to take off these cracks. I feel like if I want these cracks gone, I'm gonna just have to buy just a whole new one because these are way too deep and I wasn't trying to sand off the actual carbon. But on camera, guys, you guys can see it, right? It's pretty shiny, it's reflecting, and yeah, it's not bad. Yo, it's not bad for my first time actually restoring carbon on anything. Like, this was my first ever time restoring carbon, and yeah. Do you guys think I should fix this? Do you guys think I should realign it, or do you think I should just leave it alone? I asked my wife, she said to just leave it alone. Do you guys think that my effort worked, or do you feel like these fenders look the exact same? Before, these fenders were yellowing and you really can't even see. Let me just zoom in a bit closely. It looks pretty fresh at all angles. And also, I would just say it just looks a lot more clean. But anyways, guys, I know it's been a while since I've posted, and we will talk about that, I promise. But if you guys did enjoy this video, please give it a thumbs up. It literally took me about, I'll say, a whole week to actually do this project because I have been just crazy busy all throughout this summer. I've been working on the fenders whenever I've had time, and yeah, if I had a lot of time, I probably could have done it maybe in a day or two. But you know, we all got a life, we all got things to do, and so it took me over a week to restore these, and yeah, it's never again. But wow, yo guys, right now that carbon is carboning. What? Damn, that thing looks clean. I did that? Me? Shit, man, I'm proud of myself. But anyways, guys, hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys when I see you guys. Hope you guys are being safe as well. Peace.